Oil Spanish Kitchen. My name is Aran, she is Yoko, and he is Oli. In this channel, you will learn how to prepare the most typical Spanish recipes. So if you love Spanish cuisine, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and also you can activate the bell. Today, I bring you a very simple recipe that you can find in any Spanish bar. Today, we are going to make boquerones en vinagre. This recipe is so easy to make, and you will be surprised how easy it is. So that's it, let's get started with the ingredients. For this recipe, we need 500 grams of anchovies, garlic, parsley, vinegar, and as always, salt and extra virgin olive oil. We will start by cleaning the anchovies. If you are lucky and your fishmonger does this for you, I envy you a lot. It's very easy, but it's entertaining, especially if they are small. First, remove the head with the intestines, being careful not to remove the central spine. With the right hand, pinch this central spine with force, and with the nail of the left thumb, scrape the central spine like this. We already have a clean side. Remove the central spine and don't forget the dorsal fin. It's very small. I don't know if you can see it, but I prefer to remove it. Wash very well with water until they are clean. If you have bought them very large and you see that they have a lot of blood, I recommend that you put them in a bowl with water and ice for a couple of hours. In my case, as they are very small, it's not necessary. Put them in a tupper and freeze them for 48 hours. Defrost and wash again. I'm going to place them in a container that we can close, skin side down. Add salt and cover them with half a cup of water and a cup of vinegar. They have to be covered by the liquid. Cover with the lid and put it in the fridge. Let it marinate until the next day. The next day, drain them well and place them in a container. Chop 2 cloves of garlic and a little parsley and add it on top. We add a good amount of olive oil and let it marinate in the fridge for at least a couple of hours. And it's done, guys! When you want to serve them, put them on a plate, and if you want, you can add a little more chopped parsley. And in my house, it's a must, always with olives. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoy this recipe. See you the next Wednesday in the next video. Bye bye!